welcome. My name is Anolua and this is my YouTube channel. So if this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I would say thank you so much for always liking, sharing and commenting and also watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support so far. I'm really grateful. Your girl here, I'm just trying to be as consistent as I can be. So guys, today I'll be reorganizing my fridge, and this is long due. I've been wanting to do this video, but something or the other has always been coming up, and I just said tonight or this evening while my babies are sleeping, it's just I must do this video and share it with you guys and show you how I organize my fridge. And this is just for me to create a system in place in my refrigerator and also follow the system. Hopefully, I'm really hopeful that I'm able to follow this system and it can work for me. Literally, I would say organizing different part of your home. Organizing is like the first step to it, but following this system that you've created is more important than just organize, because you could organize it and not follow the system and you're back to square one like a month later or even a week later, depending on how the people in your household or you yourself, how you handle the system. So as much as it is great to organize your space, it is also very important to follow this system. So guys, I will show you guys the state of my fridge right now. Don't judge, please don't judge me. Yeah, so let's go. So right now, this is actually the state of my fridge, and gosh, it is almost chaotic. As you can see, piling up, I have so many things just in this array, and I just needed to sort this out, and things that are not supposed to be there, things that needs to be in the fridge, or things that need to be in the freezer rather, should go in the freezer, and it's just so chaotic. And I just thought to just do this and show you guys what it looks like. And my fridge is definitely due for a clean, and this is just like the perfect time to do that. So why not if not, and thought to carry you guys along. What do you guys think? If you think this video is for you, please continue to watch. Thank you. So what I plan on first of all doing is emptying the fridge and yeah, just clean up the old space. I already put my fruits on and vegetables in this bowl. I just kind of want to sort them out much better. So these are pre-washed. When I bring them from the store, I definitely wash them. So it's definitely clear now. Now it's time for cleaning. cleaning my fridge. Here is the individual, it's not a canister, so to say, sort of like a container or fridge organizer that I bought from Amazon, just to better organize the fridge itself. Then let me just, I haven't opened this. Is the first time I'm opening it. Yeah, it is small. It is smaller than I expected. This part cheated me. Oh, this is not good. Oh, this is not good. This is smaller than I expected, and it cannot take much things that I envisioned that it would take. This is small. Do you know what? My husband always tell me when I buy packages that instead of waiting till when I need it, why not just open it there and then and know if you've been sold rubbish or not. Oh my goodness. Because in this store, I have seen bigger sizes, and I was like, oh, Amazon was promising more containers for bigger prices. And now this is what they brought for me. You know what, guys? We move. That's not good, because I could have gotten a better deal at the store if I bought the ones I saw at the store. And I was like, oh, Amazon, they'll give me stackable ones and all that. Yeah, so moving on from that one, I also got this meal prepping bowl for my food. Like, I'm hoping this will help me just portion the food in quantities such that once I carry just one, I'm able to just probably pour it in my glassware or stoneware and just put it in the microwave, and I don't have to like bring everything out at once and be warming it. So I want to believe this will help, because normally I have my, like, this is fish sauce that I made. I have it in packs like this. So by the time I put it in this bowl, I'm going to store some in the freezer, and we'll just pick one at a time, and that's it. We are good to go. So now I need to wash it. Yes, before I forget, so also I got this egg like holder or canister or what you call it. So I got this for my egg as well. I feel like it's very pretty, although I mean sometimes my purchase decisions can be somehow. So when I wanted to buy it, I actually bought this one at the store, and I bought this from Lidl. If you have Lidl near you, you get good deals on some stores on their hours that say when it's gone, it's gone. So when I wanted to buy it, I took two, and I was like, do I need two? I think one is just enough, and I returned one at the till when I was about to pay. And it's very, very affordable. I just felt like if I'm buying two and I don't have space for two, why? That it wouldn't make sense that if I need more, that will go and buy. And when they say when it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. And I went back like a couple of days later to buy extra of this, and it's all gone. As I tell my baby, so now I'll just wash this and we'll get going. Wash
keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys. Hi guys. After all the washing and the replacement and all, I could definitely say I'm tired and I need a cup of tea. Yes, I definitely need a cup of tea. Yeah, it's late and I should get to sleep. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you think this, for me, it's just like putting a system in place, I would say, and hopefully I try to follow this system and everyone in my household is able to follow this system, and hopefully this system can work for us. So far it looks really nice. It is looking very nice, and I'm hoping I'm able to keep this up and just keep the system in place. So guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like me to do more organization videos, please let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any suggestion for me for videos you want me to do and show you guys, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. See you some other time. Bye.